This year's Business Champion Award winner is a community treasure. The people of First Bank Richmond have established a legacy of helping with their generosity and their caring. They have a long history of providing support for communities and schools and children in Wayne County. Their support has also come on a personal level as well. First Bank Richmond employees greeted every incoming freshman at Richmond High School on their first day of school, providing smiling faces on one of the most important days in young students' lives. They donated fans to our band to help students cope, and parents cope especially, with the heat of Indiana State Fair Band Day. And then they sold the rest of the fans at the ice cream social and gave the money to the band. They volunteered to take an active part in our open house. They're partners in More Than Words, and they've been staunch athletic supporters at Richmond High School for years. A call to Kim Poinsett at First Bank always brings the same question: what can we do to help? And soon the help arrives. The ever-present support of First Bank Richmond can be felt and seen daily in our schools. So it is my distinct honor and pleasure to present the CIS Business Champion Award to First Bank Richmond.